Are your eyes feeling tired? Is your vision just not what it used to be? What if I told you that there's a 1-minute daily practice that if you do it, it will improve your vision? Sometimes within days. I know it sounds unbelievable, but I've lived it. I learned these powerful practices from an amazing herbalist over 20 years ago. I didn't need them at the time, but I knew when I learned them that this was something special. This is something that people don't know about, or people wouldn't be always getting glasses in their 40s or after. We wouldn't hear all the time in the culture that, oh, once you get to a certain age, your eyes just decline. I thought to myself, if people knew about eye exercises, we wouldn't see this like decline happening in every person, almost every person after a certain age, right? So I held on to this. And when I started 20 years later, when I had a little notice of some blur in my vision, I whipped out these exercises. I did it once and my vision went back to clarity. And I didn't need them again for another several months. And then when I noticed there was a little fuzziness, I used them again. And wow, same thing. Every time a little fuzziness returned, one round of these exercises and clarity came right back. And these simple moves bring oxygen and circulation to your eyes. So they bring fresh blood, which detoxifies the tissues and stimulates natural repair. Remember, oxygen is the primary healing nutrient, and these exercises help increase oxygen to the eyes. I started sharing this with my clients, and the consistent feedback that I got was, it works. It was more like, it works, my eyesight's better. There was more enthusiasm, like, this stuff works, my eyes are improving. That's why I created Eyesight Revival, the 1-minute daily practice that improves eyesight. A super easy, totally accessible mini course that gives you the eye exercises that you need to implement to start reversing vision decline today. Literally with 1 minute of practice a day. I want to make sure that everybody that needs help improving their eyesight has the information. I don't want there to be a big pay wall between this. I want everyone that needs this amazing information to have it. So I'm making this little mini course $39.99 so that it is accessible to everybody. I could easily charge $999 for a course that helps people see again, right? I mean, it would definitely be of value even at that price, but I want as many people to have access to this as possible, so it's a no-brainer. So click the link below to get access. 1 minute a day can improve your eyesight. You'll see. Your eyes are worth it. If you practice, you will see results. It's that simple. Oxygen plus movement equals vision restored. Don't wait, your clarity is calling. See you on the inside.